Hi, Jotformers. This month, we are announcing a game changer, the Jotform AI App Builder. Plus, we've got real-world success stories and a brand new integration to cover. Let's dive in.
Building apps used to mean long timelines, technical teams, and a whole lot of back and forth. Not anymore. Introducing the Jotform AI App Builder. Just describe what you need, and Jotform's AI generates a fully structured app complete with pages, widgets, and logic. No code, no hassle, just results. If you want to see it in action, join our live launch event to learn how to go from an idea to a deployed app in minutes.
Not sure where to start? We've got 7 powerful reasons to build your next app with Jotform AI. From streamlining internal workflows to creating customer-facing tools your whole team will love. Check out our blog to learn more.
Here's just one example of how teams are already creating with our AI App Builder. JT's Landscaping used Jotform to unlock $10,000 in new monthly revenue opportunity, cut office supply costs, and keep their team better coordinated than ever. One AI-powered app made all the difference. Read their story in the description below.
And we're not stopping there. Jotform now integrates with Jira, so every form submission can automatically trigger an action in your project management workflow. From submission to action instantly. Try it today.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the latest from Jotform. We'll see you next time.